So today we're going to be talking about using AirDrop and how to share files between Apple devices. We'll be talking about what is AirDrop, some key features of it, setting it up, a comparison, some tips and troubleshooting, and a video demo. So AirDrop purpose. AirDrop is Apple's built-in wireless feature that allows users to share files between iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It is designed to replace the need for cables, email attachments, or third-party file sharing apps. The system is intended to work best when devices are close to each other. AirDrop is one of the simplest ways to share files across Apple devices. Why use AirDrop? AirDrop is faster than sending files through email or uploading them to the cloud. It allows users to share large video clips and multiple photos without reducing their quality. The feature does not require any internet connection, which makes it a useful feature. AirDrop provides a seamless experience for people working or socializing together in the same space. History of AirDrop. 2011, introduced by Apple in 2011. macOS Lion, designed to simplify local file sharing. 2013, iOS support added. In 2013, on iOS 7, expanded compatibility. 2025, no features as of 2013. No new features as of 2013. Security has been stronger to protect identities. Devices that support AirDrop. iPhone 5 and newer, iPad 4th generation and newer, iPad Touch 5th generation and newer, Mac computers 2012 or newer with macOS Yosemite Plus. Key features. It combines Bluetooth for device discovery and Wi-Fi for fast data transfer, which makes it both quick and efficient. The feature is fully encrypted, which helps protect sensitive files during transfer. And unlike many messaging apps, AirDrop does not compress images or videos, so the quality of the files remains intact. And AirDrop supports sending multiple files and even larger video clips, which can be faster than uploading to the cloud storage. Privacy and security features. Visibility options. Receiving off means no one can see your devices for file sharing. Contacts only makes your phone visible only to people in your contacts list. Everyone for 10 minutes allows any nearby devices to see your device temporarily. Security measures. AirDrop encrypts all files during transfer, which protects against interception. Users can always decline incoming file requests to prevent unwanted transfers. Excuse me. Using the contacts only setting ensures that you only trusted people can reach your device. Setting up AirDrop. Both devices must have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. AirDrop must be enabled through the control center. Choose receiving off, contacts only, or everyone depending on your needs. Use contacts only when you're in public areas to avoid random file requests. Turn off AirDrop completely when you do not plan to use it. Always confirm that the sender is someone you trust before accepting the file. There you can just kind of shows you how to do it there. Comparison with different platforms. AirDrop versus email. AirDrop is faster than attaching files to email and waiting for delivery. Does not require internet connection, unlike email. And AirDrop keeps file quality intact while email may compress the attachments. The main limitation is that AirDrop only works between Apple devices and email works for everyone. AirDrop versus messaging apps. Messaging apps often compress photos and videos, but AirDrop does not. AirDrop does not require a phone number or account, only proximity. File transfers happen instantly without waiting for uploads and provides a private local transfer option. AirDrop versus cloud storage. Cloud services require internet access, but AirDrop works offline. AirDrop is best for local, quick file exchanges, while cloud is better for remote storage. Oops. Tips when using AirDrops. AirDrop. Keep devices within a few feet for the best transfer speed. Make sure both devices are unlocked and AirDrop is enabled. Use contacts only in most situations to balance security and convenience. And ensure both devices are running updated software. Troubleshooting when transfer fails. Turn off AirDrop and back on to refresh the connection. Disable personal hotspot as it can interfere with AirDrop. Update to the latest iOS or macOS version to improve performance. Restart both devices if the transfer does not go through. Common user mistakes. Excuse me. Some users forget to turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi before attempting transfers. Others set visibility to receiving off and wonder why no one can find them. Choosing the wrong recipient device can cause accidental sharing. Many people confuse the everyone in contacts only setting. Best practices for AirDrop. Only accept files from people you trust to avoid unwanted content. Combine AirDrop with iCloud for long-term backup and organization. Keep your AirDrop set to contacts only in public spaces. Organize received files immediately to keep storage tidy.